Again, my name is Dan Beauregard. I run solution engineering at OneCloud. I like to think that gives me the best of both worlds. I get to work very closely with Suresh and the engineering team as we build I think a groundbreaking product from the ground up. And that's actually very exciting to me. But then I get to take that technology and bring it to the partners and customers. And that's actually the funnest part about my job, is actually going in there and hearing what they have to say. I've been in the virtualization storage space for 19 years now, and no product that I've ever pitched to a company has had the same reception that this product has. So that's very exciting. So what I'm going to do, there's 3 different sections that we're going to kind of walk through during the public viewing part of this session. And we're going to break it up and do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to start off and we're going to go into the Insight tool. And we're going to do this through a video that we've created. So I'm going to play that video first, and then I'm going to follow up with a overview of the OneCloud platform. So then we'll start to get into the weeds a little bit, not as much as we will in the closed door session for the panel that's here, but I give you a good idea of how we're going about doing things. And then we're going to do a live demo of the solution. So let's go ahead and play the video. Hello, and thank you for your interest in OneCloud software. This video will highlight OneCloud's planning and assessment tool called OneCloud Insight, which is a lightweight application used to model implementation scenarios for a disaster recovery site in AWS. DR planning is often a mystery for organizations. The cost equation can be especially complicated when you consider the public cloud as your DR site. OneCloud Insight is the only tool available today to model DR for your specific environment and help predict the cost of using AWS as your virtual DR site. And the best news of all, a OneCloud Insight assessment will cost you nothing. Let's go ahead and explore this great tool. Insight installs in minutes and then performs a simple, non-intrusive discovery of a customer's virtual infrastructure environment through VMware Virtual Center. Once complete, we are ready to model what DR will look like in the cloud. To begin, we bring up the Insight viewer, which has been populated with the data we collected. During this tour, I am only highlighting some of the powerful capabilities. Please contact us for more comprehensive demo or to run the tool in your environment. To get started, we choose which VMs to protect, and then select the appropriate protection level for each application. The Network tab shows the bandwidth required to meet the target SLAs between the customer site and AWS. A model is generated for each DR scenario and warnings provided if insufficient bandwidth is detected. More granular control of bandwidth usage is provided within the Network Details tab. Finally, the Insight Planning Tool Results tab provides a full breakdown of the associated costs for each DR scenario. This includes the OneCloud recovery software licensing and AWS infrastructure cost. The OneCloud recovery solution has shown that by optimizing the use of AWS, it can reduce the total cost of DR by greater than 50% compared to other options in the market. If you are interested in learning more about OneCloud or would like to utilize OneCloud's Insight tool to model DR for your environment, please reach out and we would be happy to work with you. Thanks and have a great day. All right, so that was a quick, brief tour of the Insight tool. So for any of those that are online, watching the video online, please contact us. We would love to go into more detail.